Welcome back to Primetime News.
And special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, Buju Banton is a free man. The entertainer, who is serving a 10-year term in a U.S. prison for a drug trafficking offense, was released earlier today.
Buju, whose real name is Mark Myrie, was scheduled to be released tomorrow, but the United States Bureau of Prison updated its website overnight and changed his release date from December 8, 2018 to unknown.
Our reporter Dwayne Anderson has the details in this Primetime News story.
Walking free. Mark Myrie, more famously known as Buju Banton, left the McRae detention facility in Georgia Friday morning. It marked the final steps on what has been a long walk to freedom. We tracked down one of those who knew Buju Banton behind bars. On his request, he will remain anonymous, so we will call him Mr. P. Mr. P said he spent 3 years alongside the self-styled Gargamel in the McRae Penal Facility in Georgia, United States. He showed us this picture of himself and Buju Banton behind bars. He has been in contact with Buju since being deported to Jamaica 2.5 years ago. He last spoke to Buju 2 weeks ago.
Buju happy and ready for come home right now, and I get him body together and get him mind together, doing a lot of exercise, getting mind together. So I know right now I'm in the process right now, ready for leave by pretty much, them says what, the 8th I'm supposed to leave. So him should be leaving pretty much by the 7th, McRae, leaving McRae by the 7th to go to Stewart Detention Center. That's where I pick way up. I supposed to pick way up and do the processing from there on. They don't move nobody on Saturdays. So they move people, they go move them on the Friday, cause even me, I supposed to leave there the Saturday, but they moved me the Friday.
Clyde McKenzie is also looking forward to the driver-singer's return. He has no worries that Buju will easily reintegrate into the musical space.
With his kind of creativity, he might have been nurturing quite a lot in terms of ideas and material, and therefore we'll be hearing from him. Now, as to whether he is coming to find a new space, of course the music has changed, the experience has changed. His audience would be a maturing audience, but given Buju's skills, I have no doubt that he will have material which will allow him to reach another audience and another generation.
He might come strong, real strong. No man, Buju have a book of tune come, and people better shake up.
But let's rewind. How did Buju Banton end up in the McRae Penal Facility? Well, his problem started in 2009 due to a cocaine deal. His first legal battle against the drug charge ended in a mistrial, but the prosecutors would eventually get their man, and in 2011 he was convicted and sentenced to 10 years imprisonment for conspiracy to possess with the intent to distribute cocaine. Add to that possession of a firearm in furtherance of a drug trafficking offense, and using a telephone to facilitate a drug trafficking offense.
Oh, I'm in bondage, living is a mess, and I've got to rise up, alleviate the stress.
His release date was set for February 2019, but was later revised to December 8, 2018. Now he prepares to return to Jamaica.
I'll be there for sure, don't worry. I'm Mr. Bam 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 Bam. It's not an easy road.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.